In this video, I will show how to use the limit comparison test to determine whether the given series is convergent or divergent. And to use the limit comparison test means to find another series such that the limit of the ratio of the general term of the given series over the general term of the other series is equal to some number L, which is not infinity or 0. And that will mean that the given series behaves exactly the same way as the one that we are comparing it with. So for example, in this case, I see that this series will behave exactly the same way as 1 over n. How so? Because if I take the limit of the ratio and set it up like this, I will get the following result. I'm going to have n times n squared minus 3n plus 7 divided by n cubed plus 4n squared minus 5n plus 1, which is equal to 1. So the fact that the limit of this ratio is equal to 1 means the given series acts the same way or behaves the same way as the harmonic series, which we know in fact diverges. So the conclusion is that the original series diverges as well by the limit comparison test.